What's going on everybody, my name's Rico, welcome back to my channel. My channel is about vlogs, series and tutorials. Today it's time for How to Thursday, which means I got a new tutorial for you guys. Today's tutorial is about transitions. So the first transition is the most easiest one to do. All you gotta do is take your hand and move it to the camera. Like this. I'm now in Leeuwarden, which is the cultural capital of Europe of 2018. I'm here at a contest in which my girlfriend is participating. And it's time for the next switch, which is the pan switch. You move your camera around like that and you turn the other way around to start again. Watch this. And start the next one like that. So another one is to bring it towards you and then from you in a different scene like this. Like this, and now we're in a different scene, so it's time for the next one. I need to put down my camera for that, so hang on. Okay, so for this scene, this transition, you need to jump. So you need to put your camera down, then you jump in one scene, you jump in the other one, and you cut them exactly at the right time. So check it out. So that's one effect to change in between scenes. So I got another one, which is the earthquake. Hang on. To a different scene like this, and now I've got another transition, which is eat the camera. Sorry about that, I thought I could eat the camera, but it didn't taste as good as I thought. I got one more transition for you guys, which is the spin around, and it goes like this. Like this. Now I'm at a different spot. We got two more transitions, but to show you guys that, we need to go to my studio. Okay, so the first transition is ending your video by ending behind the tree. And then in the next frame, you start from the tree again. Let me show you in Premiere what I mean. Here you have my categories vlog. My girlfriend was filming me while I was walking. And as you can see in this scene, she walks with me and stops walking while she's behind this tree. And then in the next scene, she starts from a tree and then moves out frame by frame, and if you play it back, it looks like this. There you go. And the second transition can be done with natural things like a phone, like a hand, like something else. We use the skateboard. Let me show you what I mean. Here you see me walking and my girlfriend is ending the video behind a bench. The bench almost fills the entire frame, but when you play it back you don't see this little spot over here. And then in the next frame, see, she's using a skateboard to mimic the movement, and then here I am again. So in the playback, this is how it looks. And that's why we were able to do this transition. There you have it, 9 transitions that you can use in your video. I hope you guys enjoyed them. Let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to hear your feedback. And there's only one more thing left for me to say, which is make love to the like button. Please consider subscribing if you like what you saw. Hit that bell button to be the first to be notified when I drop a new video. And until next time, doei!